The world is transitioning into a digital space. So you have to understand that you either get with the flow or you're going to get left behind. Hey YouTube family, welcome back. Welcome back to Our World House Empire. You don't know it's Kariana, and I'm back in the building again with some exciting content that will help you to level up your finances for 2025. So if that's something that you are interested in, then definitely stick around till the very end of this video, because you're going to want to hear how we have been leveling up our finances in the line of the cryptocurrency field. Now, before I get into all of this, I just want to make a disclaimer. By no means am I a financial advisor. So whatever information that I'm sharing here is based on personal experience. It's based on what's been working for us. And you have the ability to tap into financial advisors with your bank system. Ask them any questions that you want to ask and educate yourself. Go do your research. Always research. Right? So what I really kind of want to cover today is basically cryptocurrency and how we've been kind of gaining with cryptocurrency. And if you do not know what cryptocurrency is, it's basically a digital currency that, we actually believe that will take over from cash. Right? So digital currency is basically in which transactions are verified through what we call a decentralized system. So that's cryptocurrency. And I'm sure the majority of you here who are listening have heard a lot about Bitcoin. Now, I'm telling you this wholeheartedly. Bitcoin is something to invest in. Bitcoin has provided an outlet for personal wealth that is beyond your imagination, that is beyond any form of restriction that you can actually think of, right? The world is transitioning into a digital space. So you have to understand that you either get with the flow or you're going to get left behind. Oftentimes, we're not willing to change with the flow of change. But when the wind has changed, you ought to change with the wind. All right. So understand that cryptocurrency is a popular thing. It's very big in terms of the investing industry. All right. Now, I'm not going to tell you what to invest in, but Bitcoin is really where we have placed the majority of our investments within the crypto space. All right. Now, there is a lot to learn about crypto. And if you're at a space where you don't know anything at all about crypto, that's absolutely fine. I always say self-education is paramount to your success. So even if you don't know something, it doesn't mean that you can't learn it. Challenge yourself every single day to learn something new that will make you a better individual. If it is that financial freedom or generational wealth is your goal, you want to be elevating your financial skills. You want to be educating yourself on how it is that you can raise your money, how is it that you can multiply your money, and stop trading your time for money. Oftentimes, we are in a 9-to-5 job that is not even serving us. It's not doing much for us. It's only paying the bills. And I'm not saying that you ought not to be grateful for that, because it's a stepping stone for better, right? But challenge yourself alongside your 9-to-5 to do something else. Challenge yourself along with your 9-to-5 to become the most valuable individual in that company so that they raise your pay, all right? So challenge yourself to level up. Whatever your goal is, you have the capacity, you have the power to level up like never before. All right. So this is a space where I tell you the wholehearted truth. I've been broke, really, really broke, right? Broke till we really didn't know where to find money. And I'm grateful that I found myself so that we are able to actually find money and not worry too much about money anymore. Oftentimes, we keep ourselves stuck in a place because we are afraid to change. Learn about money. Understand the psychology behind money. Understand why is it that you lack, because the Bible already tells us that we should not lack anything. God has already given you dominion over everything. He's already blessed you with everything that you actually want. Some of us don't even know yet. Some of us don't even know who we are yet, and that's why we're facing lack. So today I kind of want to challenge you to level up. You know, despite the fact that I'm going to get into this cryptocurrency, I just want to challenge you to level up. Level up like never before. Connect with people who know information and basically connect with them so that they can help you to level up. Right? So with that said, if you're new to this space and you like what I'm saying and you're connecting with what I'm saying, hit that subscribe button, because remember, subscribing doesn't cost you a thing, but the information that you'll be given here is absolutely valuable and it will help you for 2025. Right? 2025 is right around the corner, and do not let 2025 come at your doorstep with you being struggling, with you facing the same situation. You have an opportunity to change it. Oftentimes we don't change because we don't know. So if you're watching this video, you're gonna know something that you didn't know before. So do something about it, because guess what? You've got the power to change it. So with that said, I'm definitely kind of gonna hop into how we've learned about crypto, what we've been using to learn about crypto, and how we basically, invest in our Bitcoin. So with that said, let's jump right into that aspect of all right, family. So let's dive right into this software that's called Defivrse. If you have never heard of it, you get it right on the App Store. The link will also be below in the description. No, let me show you exactly what's going on with this software. Now, on this section here, you literally have what's called trade ideas, right? So trade ideas are posted by professional crypto experts, right? Professional crypto experts. And you are able to copy these trades, right? Copy their trades and make money from them. So when they profit, you profit. And, I'm going to be kind of zooming in on all these trades. These are all cryptocurrencies, by the way. So you would need a crypto portfolio for this form of investment. So you can see there are quite a number of trades that are currently active, that we're running, that we're in, and that, we're kind of producing some money on. No, we've got some Bitcoin. I made great money on this Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been hitting all-time highs, like, whoa. So we've got a nice little Bitcoin, portfolio that's growing massively. And it's all due to this software, right? It's all due to this software. Another Bitcoin win that we had, and as I've said before, you're going to have losses in trading. So this would have been a loss, right? But with the risk to reward, your loss is minimal compared to what you're gaining. Minimal, right? We had a NAS 100 break even. We had some win on Uni, another Bitcoin win, right? You're having a look. So quite a number of wins. As you can clearly see, I'm showing you the data. I'm showing you the data behind this software, right? And there are a ton of people globally utilizing this software. I believe over 31,000 individuals globally so far have been utilizing this software to actually invest in Bitcoin and other form of cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, right? So as I said, you're going to have losses. I'm showing you even the losses as well. But the majority that you're actually seeing are wins, right? The majority, and I'm going all the way back. This is all the way back to November, right? You're seeing all that's there, all of it. So let me kind of continue on down. As I said, these are all trade ideas. You're given where to enter the trade. You're given where the stop loss should be placed, which means that if the trade goes the opposite way, you're stopped out because we cap your losses, right? And you're given where to take your profits and get out. And quite often we hit the majority of these targets. When you see what's called a partial win, it means that we may make hit TP1, hit TP2, right? But we may not have hit the others, but we would have basically gone risk free whilst we were at exit 2. Okay, and if I keep going, you're basically going to be seeing the same pattern, a majority of wins and minimal losses. So this is the Defivrse software, right? Now, when you're given a trade idea by these expert crypto traders, they give you updates. So there's a chat, it gives you updates so that you are aware of what is happening with the actual trade. You're aware when to go risk free, you're aware when to do everything, and everything is actually taught to you. So if it is that you're new to the crypto world and you want to invest, all of this is taught to you, right? You can see Bitcoin hit exit 2 for 4,600 pips. That's incredible, right? Incredible money that you would have stacked on a trade like that, right? I've seen, results even with individuals I've got on my team who have taken these trades, especially Bitcoin, and have taken their accounts from $40 to $1,000. All right. So the world of Bitcoin is really promising, in my opinion. So pretty much all the updates are posted here. So Bitcoin hit exit 1 for 2,230 pips, closing partials and holding for targets. So everything is notified. You're given notification so that you know when to break even, you know when to take some of the money out. You're notified on everything. So that's the beauty of this. There is effective communication whilst the trades are being played out. Now, here's the next level. Learn. There is a section where you can actually learn, and it's not just limited to English, but there are many different languages that you can go through the Crypto Academy with. So it's teaching you about, the entire platform, how to utilize the platform, how to copy and paste a trade on your MetaTrader 5, all of this, how to take your partials. So you coming in as a total beginner will be phenomenal, because guess what? You're going to be taken through the learning stages, right? You're going to be walking through all of these introductory foundation courses that gives you the knowledge you need to level up your finances, right? Now, you've got crypto basics, where you go into the introduction of crypto and what cryptocurrencies are. Everything is taught to you. They talk to you about altcoins, about Bitcoin. They tell you a lot about cryptocurrency. So the entire course is here, right? The entire course is here as it relates to cryptocurrency, right? You have a spot portfolio mastery where they tell you what to put in your portfolio. For me, I think this is one of the best crypto investing apps. And it doesn't even cost that much, because I think we paid $149 to start with it and $99 per month to maintain getting this money coming in through our crypto and the knowledge coming in. So it's by far, to me, one of the best things that you can literally invest in. And we'll definitely drop the link below if this is something that you really want to connect with, if something you want to invest in. We'll drop the link so that you can go do Defivrse purchase. However, if you want more information on it as well, you can always contact us. Our details are always in the description below. Now, they're live. So it's not just that you're given sessions that are recorded. There are actually live sessions that are happening on a day-to-day basis that you can match your schedule with and kind of decide, okay, which session am I able to attend? All of these individuals, they educate you so much on the digital currency, which is cryptocurrency, right? You're being educated, you're being given trade ideas so that you can make money. So you're earning and learning at the same time. So for me, this is probably one of the best ones I've seen. And this is something that I will always endorse because it produces good money. And I'm not capping, right? I'm not capping by no means whatsoever. When I say good money is made on this, good money is made on it. So one of my favorites, one of the ones that has taught me a lot about crypto, because I've dived into the whole learning, process and started developing a crypto portfolio of my own. So if this is something that you're truly inspired with and understanding that Bitcoin or cryptocurrency investment in general can actually build a portfolio for personal wealth, then this is something that you want to kind of really explore. All right. I always say no risk, no reward. No risk, no reward. So you've got the chat, right? You've got everything. We are live in 15. If there is no meeting, you're notified. Everything is given, a notification is given based on everything that's been happening. As I said, you've got the entire academy to go through with all the basics, and then the advanced system is there. Once you become advanced, you have the ability to go to those, and you have daily trade ideas that you can get to make money. And here's the beautiful thing: they show you the chart markups, so you literally see where we are. Look at where your stop is. Your stop is there versus to where you're headed. So the ton of money you'd be making to the upside versus what you're risking. The red line is your stop. So we're entering on the green line, right? We're entering on this green line. This is our entry. If the trade is not going to go in our favor, we'll get kicked out at this red line. If it goes in our favor, this is TP1, so we'll take profit 1 here, or take profit 2 is at this level, and or take profit 3 is that extraordinary level. Can you imagine? Right? 4,600 pips, right? Coming all the way up here. That's a ton of money. So don't sleep on the opportunities that are at hand. Understand, I keep saying, if you don't get the flow, you'll get left behind. You're always one decision away from changing your life. You have the ability to elevate. Oftentimes, it's because of what you don't know. So today, I've shared a lot with you in terms of what we've been using to develop our crypto portfolio, especially along the line of Bitcoin. This is really what we've been using. So if this is something that you're interested in, drop us a comment and we'll connect with you. With that said, this is pretty much the end of the video. Let us know whatever else is there that you want us to share. We'll share it with you. So drop your comment. Let us know. Hit that subscribe button if we shared valuable information with you today. Let us know, right, that we have done so. Have an awesome one. We will see you very soon.